How to fix TCL Smart TV HDMI No Signal. 6 fixes that actually work. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Truth Reviews. If you're trying to game on your PC with the TCL C745 and you're getting random no signal drops, black screens, or the connection dying every time you launch a game or exit full screen, you're not alone. This TV is an absolute beast for 4K 144Hz gaming, but it can be super picky with HDMI handshakes. Today, I'm giving you the exact step-by-step fixes that actually work. We'll go from the easiest to the more advanced solutions. Let's fix this. Step 1. Upgrade to a certified ultra-high-speed HDMI 2.1 cable. Number 1, and this fixes it for a lot of people. Upgrade to a certified ultra-high-speed HDMI 2.1 cable. The C745 needs up to 48 gigabits per second bandwidth for 4K 144Hz with HDR. Cheap or old HDMI cables simply can't handle it and they drop the signal. Action. Go buy a certified ultra-high-speed HDMI cable. Look for the QR code on the packaging that proves it's certified. Replace your current cable and test it. Step 2. Use the right HDMI port. Not all ports on the C745 are created equal. HDMI 1 and HDMI 2 are the full 4K 144Hz ports. HDMI 3 and 4 are usually limited to 4K 60Hz and EARC. Step 3. Temporarily lower your PC's output settings to test stability. Running full 4K 144Hz plus HDR plus 10-bit or 12-bit color can overload the connection. Right-click Desktop, NVIDIA Control Panel, or AMD software. Change resolution. Drop the refresh rate to 120Hz first, or switch from 10-bit to 8-bit color depth. Test your game. If it stabilizes, you know the cable or TV is struggling with the full bandwidth. You can gradually increase settings once the other fixes are applied. Step 4. Change the HDMI input mode on your TV. Many people miss this setting. Grab your remote, Settings, Channels and Inputs. Inputs. Select the HDMI port you're using. Set HDMI mode to HDMI 2.1 or Enhanced. Step 5. Tweak VRR and FreeSync/G-Sync settings. The no signal issue often happens during resolution changes or when exiting games because of VRR handshake problems. Settings, System, Advanced Settings, Game Master. Try toggling VRR on and off. Make sure G-Sync is enabled for both full screen and windowed mode, or temporarily disable it to test if the handshake is the culprit. Step 6. HDMI Power Cycle. Final step, the HDMI Power Cycle. This resets the communication between your PC and TV. Turn off both your TV and PC. Unplug the TV from the wall outlet. Press and hold the physical power button on the TV, not the remote, for 30 seconds. Wait 2 full minutes. Plug the TV back in, turn it on, then boot up your PC. This drains residual power and often fixes stubborn handshake issues. Try these steps in order and let me know in the comments which one fixed it for you. Most people get it working after steps 1, 2, and 4. If you're still having issues after all of this, drop your exact setup, GPU, cable version, PC resolution in the comments and I'll try to help. Don't forget to like this video if it helped, subscribe for more TV plus PC gaming fixes, and hit the bell so you never miss a guide. Thanks for watching.